So this is how our journey for this channel began.
We had the opportunity to take part in a science competition together as a team in August of 2018.
It was a Science Baskets 2018 contest organized by the Singapore Science Centre.
So we were competing in the open category under my school, your school, which is a primary school in Singapore.
We have always been curious about gravity and its effects, and so we decided on gravity as the theme of the competition.
And we named ourselves the Gravitational Masters.
I was Isaac Newton and my dad was Albert Einstein. Do you see a look-alike, at least his hair?
Well, we had so much fun together, and we loved the experience of being in a competition as a team. And thank God, we came in second in the open category and also won the Voters' Choice Award.
We are grateful for all the support of many people from our school, the judges, the organizers, Singapore Science Centre, the wonderful audience, and not to forget, all our supporters.
And yes, we think the fun must go on, right, Newton?
Most definitely. So we decided on this channel to share the joys of learning science in a simple way.
And so here we are, the Simple Scientists.
At your service to make science simple to understand for everyone.
So we look forward to bring you lots of fun in your journey of discovery.
Stay tuned for our first series of videos on the mysteries of gravity. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fun science.